Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your fandom account permanently. The steps can be a little tricky because you cannot delete the account from the application itself. You will have to log into your account from a browser. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you, so just follow me till the end. So let's get started. First of all, you will have to open a browser, and on the browser's search bar, you will need to type fandom.com and then click on Go. You will then land on an interface like this, and on the top right corner you will see a profile icon from where you can sign in or log into your account. Click there and log into your account. You might also be taken directly to the application itself, but remember that you have to stick to the browser and log into your account there. And when you log into your account from the browser, you will be taken to a page like this, and on the top left corner you can see a search icon. You need to click there and type help close account and click on search. You will see a lot of options and a lot of information and a lot of instructions, but scroll through it and you will see help closing an account option. Click there. Then you will be able to see all the detailed steps on how you can do it. Scroll through them and you will see how to close your account option. There you will see special close my account option. Click there. You will then be taken to a page like this. If you scroll through it or if you read the instruction, after that at the end of the page you will have to tick on I have read the help page on closing your account and confirm that I want to disable my fandom account. Click there and then click on close my account. So you can recover your account if you log in within 30 days, but if you do not log in within 30 days, your account will be successfully deleted permanently. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel.